everyone! Hi! Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for coming back again. This year is just gonna be filled with new things everywhere. Like, I am just so inspired and motivated and just ready to like create my brand. You know what I mean? Like, this year is my year and I'm making it so, I'm speaking it into existence, and I'm so pumped to really like bring you guys the best of the best content, things that you guys want to see, things that are funny, makeup, lifestyle, everything. I want to do it all. So I'm really excited to share this with you guys. I wanted to take a minute to thank you all so very much, because without you guys watching me, supporting me, commenting, engaging, I wouldn't be here today. Like, I wouldn't want to do this, you know. It's so fun getting to know you guys, getting to know people that have followed me since my room was green. You guys, my room has been through so many colors. It's crazy. If you guys are OG Reesiibabe followers, you will know, you'll remember my room being green. You'll remember all of like the posters there. Like, it's crazy. I think I've been on YouTube for about 6 years now, which is insane to me. Recently, I started becoming more and more involved and active, and you know, constantly posting, constantly putting out new things. So I genuinely thank you guys for your support. Without you guys, honestly, like, it could not be. New year, new me. What are my resolutions? I definitely want to go to the gym more, but not just go to the gym to like work out on machines or exercise. I want to take more classes. I want to meet somebody new at the gym. Like, those are like 2 of my goals. I just really want to be more active. I pay the gym bill. I'm trying to take advantage of it. I'm showering at the gym. I'm taking advantage of all of the equipment. I'm taking advantage of all the weights. I'm taking advantage of all the classes. Like, LA Fitness is no joke. So I'm taking advantage of everything. The hot tub, the swimming pool, girl, you name it, I am there. I am not wasting money this year. That's another one of my resolutions. I am genuinely shopping smarter. If you guys would like a video on that, let me know. I will have, because I'm about to ask you guys a bunch of questions about like, do you guys want to see this? So I'll have them all listed in the description so you guys can answer it. And let me know in the comments. I want to let you guys know how genuinely happy it makes me when you guys comment, when you guys interact with me, when you guys engage with me, when you guys share your stories with me. I love it. Y'all know I don't have any friends. I choose not to have friends. I just want to put that out there, because I don't have time for the drama. I don't have time to deal with your problems. I'm trying to get my work on. I'm trying to get my career started. So I don't really have like a lot of people that I hang out with besides John and Sam and stuff like that. And honestly, I'm at the age where I'm not really trying to, you know, go through the whole process of meeting people. I enjoy, and then I guess it's just the generation right now. We're so easily able to speak to someone over the computer or the internet or social media or whatever, that it just kind of makes everything a lot easier, and it saves a lot of time, because I'm like, if I don't really want to talk to you, I just X out of that conversation and I move on. You know, it's not like my time invested, it's not my time wasted. So I feel like that's why everyone's like on social media. And then it just makes it a lot easier, because without the internet, I feel like people wouldn't be as connected and as like informed. I don't know, that's just me. That's just my personal take. People, I debate on this with people all the time. Like, yes, there is a negative side to social media. Like, we don't get out there more, but we are very connected even though we are in our room. So I don't know, for me, I love social media. Nobody can talk me out of being on social media. That is definitely one of my biggest things that I want to do this year. Is I want to network more. I want to meet more of you guys. I want to talk. I want to hang out. When I reach about 20k or 10k on YouTube, and you know, when I get a larger following, I will definitely be doing a meet and greet. I'm not trying to do meet and greets and nobody comes, you know, and I'm just standing there in the cold like, hello. You know what I mean? So this year I want to just really grow my babe fam. Look at my shirt, you guys. I'm obsessed with it. Babes run the world. I am embracing my brand. Let me show you something. I have my babe cup. I am genuinely embracing this babe business, and I love it. So what is a babe, you ask? Considering my name is Reesiibabe, my babe fam is literally my followers, my subscribers, my supporters. You guys are babes to me. You guys are beautiful individuals, because I know that all of my subscribers and all of my followers and all of my supporters are beautiful people inside and out, and I wouldn't have it any other way. I'm not trying to entertain trolls, I'm trying to entertain my babes, and all of you guys are so beautiful in the way that you speak, in the way that you carry yourself, in the way that you guys are on social media, the few that I follow. So I genuinely love you guys, and I think you guys are gorgeous. That's just something that I want you guys to embrace. For me, beauty starts inside. Beauty starts with your personality. Beauty starts with the way you carry yourself, with the way you act, the way you speak, everything. And the way your mind works. That's what's beautiful to me. I've known some gorgeous girls outside, but they are so like brain dead inside that I'm just like, you're ugly, you know? So I want you guys to embrace this babe culture with me and be a babe. What the hell? I also call you guys my babes because I am Guyanese, and I don't know about you guys, but all these aunties and older people, they always be like, oh babes, come here now. Oh babes, how you doing? And then if you're in Guyana, you go to the market, they're like, babes, come see these bananas quick. You want to buy a banana? How much you want? A pack? 2 pack? Come the babes, come, let me show you the babes. So being a babe and being my babes are a little part of me and my home, and I genuinely love that. So another resolution that I have is to honestly be more consistent and put out more content that you guys want to see, not just what I want to post, but what you guys want to see. I'm trying to be on top of my A game and on top of every season. In the past, that's what I've been kind of lacking. I've been like coming up late with things, but this year, every month before, I am all about it. I'm trying to finish all my Valentine's Day videos by mid-January, so that way when it comes up, you guys will have seen the videos, you guys will be able to do the videos, and you guys can enjoy it and plan it. Did I talk about family as yet? My family this year has gotten so close, and I'm so happy that it has. This year we went through a huge loss, and it has impacted all of us, and I just really want to spend more time with my family. We don't know how much time we have on this earth, and I just want to end on this note. You know, something could happen tomorrow, and I've never experienced death in my family, and when my dad passed away, it was a shock and a half. My family has become my #1 priority, and just spending time with them and being with them and enjoying those moments with them that you can't get back. So I hope that you guys do the same thing this year, just because it is so hard and such a crazy thing to have to go through, dealing with death in your family. Definitely on my top thing to do this year, spending more time, build more memories, take more pictures, enjoy every second of it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this year. I hope this year is so good to you guys, and I love you all so much. Thank you for your support. Thank you, me and John, thank you. Even though he's not here, we both appreciate all of the love that you guys give us, and we hope that you follow us on social media. I'll have all of the links here and down below. Well, not here, but I'll have my name here and then links down below. And yeah, I am so blessed to have you all in my life. Thank you guys so much. And I hope you guys have the happiest new year ever. If you guys have any suggestions for my channel, for anything, let me know down below. Comment, talk to me. I'm waiting for you guys to talk to me, so talk to me, okay? Let me know your thoughts and what you guys are planning for the new year, and some of your New Year's resolutions that are cool and different than what you've done before. So I will talk to you guys in another video. See you later.